Lisa from the Wee House of Crochet, and welcome to Knitcraft Falling Leaves week 3. I said I wasn't going to do a video for this purely because it is very easy, but again, I do understand we've got some beginners here, so I have done a little video and it's mainly just to show you some colour changes. So for week 3 you are going to need your mustard, your cream and your plum. We're going to start with mustard. You're also going to need your 5.5mm hook. So I'm only going to do a couple of rows with you. So this video is in UK terms as well, just before I start, and it's designed by myself and Linda from Linda's Craft Room. Okay, so there are 2 different colourways, so make sure that you read those. You need to do 9 blocks, 5 in the first colourway and 4 in the second colourway. Just let me turn this other phone off. Oh dear. Okay, so I'm just going to work through colourway 1, and that's using cream, and what we need to do is chain 24. Great big hair there. Oh my god, does anybody else get hair in their yarn? Minging. Right, so colourway 1, so that's starting with cream. Row 1 is cream, and we need to chain 24 just like we've done in other weeks. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, dirt on my desk, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So you should have 24 chains. Okay, so row 1 we need to work 1 treble into the 3rd chain from the hook, and then work 1 treble in each stitch across. So that's easy. So 3rd chain from the hook, there's your first one, there's your second, there's your third. So we're going to work 1 treble into the 3rd chain. So for those who are newer to crochet, for a treble we yarn over, insert the hook, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and we're just going to do this all the way across. So without boring you, I'm going to pause this video until I get to the last stitch. So I'll see you then. Should clean my desk really. Okay, so you should now be on row 2. Sorry, you should be ready to start row 2. What we've got to do here is I've just left it until that last stitch. We've not finished that stitch because row 2 is where we change over to mustard for 3 rows. So just want to show you how we change over to mustard. And there's loads of different ways to do it, but the easiest way I think is to yarn over, insert your hook into that last chain, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Leave 2 loops on the hook, and when you're changing colour, just add in. So just add in that new colour. Sorry, I'm doing it through a camera, it's not always that easy. So hold this tight and just pull that through. So it doesn't look, the actual stitch doesn't look any different. And then what you're going to do, you can secure your ends later. So we're now on to row 2, which is chain 3. So you chain 3 with that new colour, turn your work and just work in another treble row. So there's one, you sometimes might just want to give that a little bit of a tug. What I tend to do is snip these, I'll fasten them, and I normally crochet over, but I know that's not very professional, so I won't show you that. This is it. This is week 3. That's it. So you just do 3 rows of this mustard, and then you change your, on the last row of mustard, or before you finish off that last treble, oh my goodness, before you change over, before you yarn over on that last treble, you're literally gonna yarn over in plum, do 3 rows of plum, on the last row of plum, change over to cream, do 1 row of cream, at the end of that row of cream, on the last yarn over in mustard for 3 rows, and then same again for cream. This is it, and this is why we weren't going to do a video, because it is so easy. And as you know, the videos are, even, you know, they're very short, they're very time consuming. I doubt it'll get many views, because people are just going to look at this block and go, oh gosh, that's so easy. But again, we do understand we've got some beginners there, and they might want to see that, how to change that colour. So this is all I'm doing. I don't think it needs anything else but that. So that's how you're going to change your colour. You can fasten off that cream, make sure they're secure, weave your ends in, and then once you've done all of those rows, add your border. Job done. See you in week 4.